Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetable broth from scratch. We will start by gathering our essential ingredients. You will need fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, along with aromatic herbs such as parsley, thyme, and bay leaves. Make sure to have a large pot ready and at least 8 cups of cold water to begin our flavorful journey. Next, let's prepare our ingredients. Roughly chop all your vegetables. There is no need for precise cuts, and peeling is entirely optional, as the skins can add depth of flavor. Place all the chopped vegetables, herbs, and the 8 cups of water into your large stock pot. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-high heat, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Now for the magic of flavor extraction. Allow your broth to gently simmer for at least 45 minutes or even up to 1 hour to fully develop its rich taste. It is crucial not to boil the broth vigorously, as this can lead to a cloudy appearance. For seasoning, add a generous pinch of salt and about 1 teaspoon of whole black peppercorns to the pot. Finally, it is time to finish our homemade vegetable broth. Carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve or a cheesecloth-lined colander to remove all solids. Discard the cooked vegetables, as their flavor has now been fully transferred to the liquid. Allow the broth to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.